Good morning, adventure seekers. June 10th. How time flies when you're having fun every day. Well, today I find myself at Zaca Mesa Winery to see if the trail is open, and unfortunately the trail is still closed. But one of these days, hopefully they will open it after this COVID stuff is lightens up a little bit, and I will document the trail for you. But today, I guess this is all you get, a view of the parking lot. Okay, on to the next adventure. We will do the Zaca Mesa Trail another day. Stay tuned. Good afternoon, adventure seekers. It's like close. Olivos is the place to be. All kinds of people barely find a place to park. You got your tourist treasures, statues, Figueroa Mountain Brewery is open. You got your dog walkers. Pretty cool. All right. What else do we have? Oh, we have 10 City Cider Company cider tasting. That could be fun. Wine company here. All right. If you want to do wine tasting, it looks like Los Olivos is a nice place to be. Not too windy here. Weather's perfect. And for a Thursday at noon, this place is packed, like I already said. Can't believe it. Came back here a few months ago and there's hardly anybody here. You got your public library. Oh, those must get a lot of action these days. Have to take out the cobwebs. Nice little park here. Pretty cool. Place to hang out. All right, stay tuned. Do a little walking tour of Los Olivos. Start with the Central Flag Courtyard. Evans Ranch wine tasting. Consumable art wine tasting, specializing in Pinot. Little Pinot. Ooh, nice ride. Convertible ZL1. That'll get you there in a hurry. Sea smoke Pinot. Little olive oil tasting. Come on in and smell the leather. You gotta like that. Smelling the leather. Jalopy Wine Company. Looks like there is a lot to do here, adventure seekers. A lot to do. Global Eye Shop and Studio. Wine tasting, no reservations needed. The place to be. Come on down, relax. Support your local Los Olivos winery. Wayland Wine Company. Man, these people know how to party. Got your country store. Got your artiste blending wine and art. And Los Olivos Motors, in case your car breaks down when you're here. Someone will actually fix it for you. Stay tuned. All right, adventure seekers, continuing our walking tour of Los Olivos, Alexander Wayne. Pinot Bordeaux blends. Come on in. Tasting rooms, galleries. Galleries are always cool. Love to look at art. Alright, fabric merchants. In case you need yourself some clothing to get out and about. Avec moi decor. I'm sure I mispronounced that, but they'll forgive me. Come on down and buy yourself some decor. Los Olivos General Store, wine, art, Dollar Canyon. And of course, wine tasting. Always the wine tasting. It's like if you want to come here, you better be thirsty for some wine. That's what you're going to get. Or wine company. You. Yes, sirree. This is the place for wine tasting. I don't really see too many other activities. Maybe a couple restaurants. If you're gonna eat, you better eat before you get here. Except maybe that sandwich at the market over there. Okay, post office. Yeah, so we got some music going over there. Like that. Coco Bell, Los Olivos, Fess Parker, Wine Country Inn. Well, obviously people are out and about. Oh, Maserati. You gotta like the Maserati convertible. Right next to the Porsche. Obviously, people around here have good taste in automobiles. Okay, Los Olivos Wine Merchant Cafe. So, there is a place to eat here after all that wine tasting. Food definitely looks good. Oh, definitely smells good too. Maybe this is the place you need to be. Hey! Please stay off the horses. Buy a saddle here in Los Olivos. That'll be good. Maybe some boots and a hat too while you're here. This place is cool too, adventure seekers. Private residence. Share our love of music with whoever wants to listen. Sell nothing. Bring your own. This would be a cool thing to do. The Crooked Path is not open right now, but Saturday 6/12 from 2:30 to 5:30 it looks like they're going to have some singing here. And Sunday 6/13 Bobby and special guest Steve. Hey, this is pretty nice. It's a fun thing they do. All right, adventure seekers, this concludes our walking tour of Los Olivos 4-H, a very worthy program. Help support it and been a volunteer myself. So if you ever need to support a worthy organization, think of 4-H. Okay, stay tuned for more Slingshot action.